Hello everyone, today we're going to be having a look at roles on Outlook, and I'll be showing you how that can help you to manage your inbox better and unclutter a lot of emails and make them go to specific folders. So what we're going to be doing now is I have here a few emails coming up from ClickUp, and I want to move all these emails to a specific folder. So I've made a folder here simply by right-click new folder, and what I want to do is I want to move all the messages from ClickUp to that folder. So to do that, I can right-click anywhere on my emails and go to rows, manage rows and alerts, or I can click over here on the top, which gives me the same settings. So I'm going to manage rows and alerts. Yours might be empty. I have one row here, so just click on new row. And here is the criteria that is going to specify the condition for the row to be applied. So I want to do is that I want to move the messages from someone to a folder, but for you it could be something different. So just press next. Here are other criteria. You can have multiple criteria as well, and then specify the reason here. But for this example, we're gonna stick to messages from ClickUp. We want to move to a folder. So just click over here and just type at the bottom the email that you want this rule to be applied. For this case, I have done a prior investigation and I have found out that all emails from ClickUp were coming from a particular email. So I have used the from criteria from the rows to specify that any emails that comes from this particular address are gonna go to a folder ClickUp which we have created. And now it's asking for what action would you like it to take. So I have already selected move to a specified folder. It's not gonna let you click here. You have to click at the bottom here. And here I want to select ClickUp. Press OK. It's gonna update. Press next. The next window is if you want to add any exceptions for that row. Maybe it's from someone specific, or maybe like when ClickUp notifications are coming in with a flag, you don't want this row to be applied. I'm just gonna leave it empty. I don't want any exceptions. And here's just the name for the row you're creating. You could click run this row now. That will run the row the moment we click finish. But for this example, we're gonna leave it empty. So we just click finish. And as you can see, you have a new row here on your rows. Normally, the rows won't be applied straight away. These are just for the next incoming messages that you will receive into your inbox. So if you want to apply the row to the current messages you have in the folder, you have to click on run rows now. And you want to select the rows you want to run. And he's asking to which folder you want to apply. So I'm on the current inbox, so it's already selecting the inbox. But once you make the row, any incoming messages you get to your email, the row will be automatically applied. So I just want to click all messages and run row now. As you can see, some of the emails have disappeared. Let's click close, apply, and press OK. Now if you go to ClickUp, you're gonna find all my ClickUp messages here from the notifications at tasks.clickup.com are now into this folder. And this could be a very easy way for you to organize your emails. Maybe you want to have folders with specific people, or maybe you want to have folders that emails flagged as important. So we had a look at how to create rows on Outlook. Thanks for watching.